to adapt to working alongside AI systems, learning to leverage these tools to their advantage.
It will be vital to develop new skills, including technical proficiency and the ability to interpret AI-generated data. These skills will center around empathy, critical thinking, and complex problem-solving, ensuring that human agents can handle the most challenging customer interactions with care and expertise.
As AI becomes more prevalent in customer service, it's crucial to address the ethical implications. One major concern is bias. AI systems are trained on data, and this data can reflect human biases, which can lead to discriminatory outcomes. For instance, if the training data is skewed, the AI may make unfair decisions. Another significant concern is the impact on jobs. As AI automates tasks, it could displace human workers, leading to job losses and economic challenges. It is important to use AI responsibly and mitigate potential negative consequences. This includes ensuring that AI systems are designed with ethical guidelines in mind. Businesses must prioritize fairness and promote job transition programs to help employees adapt to new roles. Ethical considerations should guide the development and implementation of AI in customer service, ensuring that it serves everyone fairly. Transparency and accountability are paramount. Companies must be open about how AI systems make decisions. This ensures that AI benefits both businesses and customers alike, creating a more equitable and efficient service environment.
AI is transforming the customer service landscape, revolutionizing how businesses interact with their customers. It offers both opportunities and challenges, reshaping traditional methods and introducing innovative solutions. AI-powered chatbots provide many benefits, such as instant responses and handling multiple queries simultaneously. They offer 24/7 support and improve efficiency, allowing human agents to focus on more complex tasks. However, they also have limitations, such as technical glitches and misunderstandings. Chatbots struggle with complex issues and lack human empathy, often leaving customers frustrated. The future of customer service lies in a collaborative approach that combines the strengths of both AI and human agents, ensuring a seamless experience. It is important to address the ethical concerns surrounding AI and ensure responsible use, maintaining customer trust. By finding the right balance, businesses can leverage the power of AI to enhance customer experience and create a future where technology and human interaction work together seamlessly, fostering innovation and satisfaction.